Hey everyone! Samsung is getting ready to release a new foldable phone, but it might look very familiar. If you've been following the leaks, you may have seen images of what people believe is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. This phone is expected to be a more affordable version of Samsung's popular flip phone series. But how is Samsung making it cheaper? Well, it looks like they might be using older parts to build it. We've seen this strategy before. Samsung did something similar with the Galaxy Z Fold Southeast, which was a more budget-friendly version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now they seem to be doing the same thing with the Flip series. This means people who want a foldable phone but don't want to spend $1,000 might finally get a more affordable option. So what can we expect from the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE? If the leaks are accurate, the phone will look almost exactly the same as the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The size, shape, and screen will likely be the same. However, one big difference is that the larger cover screen from the Z Flip 7 will not be on the FE model. Instead, it will likely have a smaller outer screen similar to older Flip models. Now let's talk about the build and design. Even though nothing is confirmed yet, leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE will have the same armor aluminum frame as the Z Flip 6. This means it should still be durable. As for the cameras, Samsung doesn't seem to be making big changes. The leaked images show a dual camera setup, and rumors suggest it could have the same 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel cameras from the Z Flip 6. However, there is a big change in the processor. Unlike the Galaxy Z Flip 6, which uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the Z Flip 7 FE is rumored to run on Samsung's Exynos 2400E. This is a less powerful version of the Exynos 2400 used in the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. While this means the Z Flip 7 FE might not be as fast as the regular model, it will help keep the price lower. And that's really the whole idea behind this phone, making foldables more affordable. Samsung is taking last year's technology, adding a few tweaks, and creating a budget-friendly model. From a business perspective, this is a smart move. Samsung sells over 300 million phones every year, and if they want more people to use foldable phones, they need to offer cheaper models. But what about the price? That's the big question. Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, but looking at their past pricing, we guess that the Z Flip 7 FE might cost around $799 or $849. This would make it a few $100s cheaper than the regular Z Flip 7. As for the launch date, Samsung usually announces its new foldable phones at an Unpacked event in July or August. If the leaks are true, we won't have to wait long to see this phone officially announced. So, what do you think about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE? Is it a great way to bring foldables to more people? Or does it feel like Samsung is just recycling old parts? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on Samsung's latest leaks and news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.